Hey guys, and hey guys, and Hi Dog Fan 41. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing review of this RimTech Beings alarm clock to go with my mood lamp over there. So I'm going to at least open it right from over here. This is gonna require some patience and a little head. Actually, I'm just gonna do it like this. There we go. Oh, come on. Just stay still. Just stay and keep still. There you go. Up. This comes with a letter that shows you thank you. This is gonna be as heavy as it. Well, not as heavy. Sometimes packages are heavy, so. That way. I'm actually gonna This is my early purchasable Christmas present. You know, I'm actually just gonna use my hands to rip it open. What's in there? No one knows. I'm gonna get this tape out of the way. There we go. It's the RimTech Beings alarm clock. And it even has the adapter. Let's plug it in. This is the one and only RimTech Beings alarm clock that has the adapter. Alright, let's go plug it into my one and only. I'm going to do another review. Anyways, thanks for watching.